men. And I use the term loosely, of course. Notice the picture in front of you. It is a cylinder, well, a V-twin cylinder. It's a panhead cylinder. Sorry, it's not a Sportster part, but it is a panhead part, which is almost as good. Notice anything wrong with it? Like maybe a hole in it? Yes, V-twin strikes again. A viewer, Tom Clegg from the United Kingdom, sent me this picture in a video I'm using with his permission. But anyway, let's hear his sad story of V-twin junk.
Hi Gary, I hope you're doing well. I watch all your videos on YouTube and I reached out to you earlier in the year regarding how to correctly ream a bushing out, which you helped me out with some information on how to do it properly. So thank you for that. After watching many of your videos, I know you run into a load of problems with the stuff in V-twin. I thought I'd share my experience with you just for a laugh on my 1955 panhead. I ordered a set of ready-to-run cylinders and pistons from V-twin, and the first set they sent had a huge score mark down one of the cylinder bores. I sent these back and a new set got sent to me. The new set arrived and seemingly looked okay. The ready-to-run thing is a load of rubbish because both pistons wouldn't even fit in the bores, so I had to take both cylinders to the machine shop to be sized correctly. Anyway, today I have the bike at a stage where it is ready to start up after many months on the workbench. I was priming the oil system by kicking the bike over and noticed a small oil weep from the side of the forward cylinder. I brushed my finger over the area and found that there is a hole in the cylinder directly into the oil return passage that is drilled into the head. This was covered with paint when I received the cylinders. The wall of the outer cylinder to the oil passage is literally paper thin and mostly made up with paint. Check out the photo and video attached. What a load of shit. Anyway, thought you would appreciate the frustration. Looks like the engine is coming apart again. Cheers, Tom in the UK.
Can you believe it? Can you believe the depths to which they have sunk? It had a hole in it. You know, these are engine parts. Things like compression and oil are supposed to stay on the inside of the engine. Hard to do when the engine has holes in it. Ay, ay, ay. I am out of here. Hey, thanks for watching. Get yourself a coffee cup. Get yourself a sticker. Join me on Patreon. Y'all have a good one. Bye.